14.2 Client 2. Design the exercise programs. 6-week exercise program. Joseph Akbar. EPARQ. The client does have heart problems. He does have high blood pressure. Asthma, we are unsure, but is likely as he is below average in the peak flow test. Does not have high cholesterol. He does have a family history of coronary heart disease and has coronary heart disease himself. His doctor has cleared him for exercise, and current recent injuries, he has none and is not prone to injury. Additional information. Client's BMI shows that he is obese. This is dangerous as it can lead to coronary heart disease and other problems. Although the client already has coronary heart disease, other problems may occur such as a heart attack. This is the client consultation, personal details, goals, current physical activity, nutrition, lifestyle, and physical health. Client profile. The client's name is Dave Moon and he is 54. He has a long history of binge smoking, drinking, and has heart problems, but GP has cleared him for exercise. Lifestyle details is work and sleep. Nutritional backgrounds. He eats very badly, claiming that five of his weekly intakes is fast food due to work, and also drinks a lot of alcohol. Barriers to exercise, sedentary lifestyle, weight, smoking and drinking. Exercise interest. He has no specific interest and doesn't mind what he has to do as long as he achieves his goal. Can work out alone or with company. He enjoys all sports and would like to participate in a lot, but his favourite sport is football. Client's target. The negotiated short-term 3-week target, we said after 3 weeks, the client and I agreed that he wants to lose 6 pounds of fat and also gain muscle. And after 6 weeks program, the client wants to improve fitness levels and gain muscle mass. The client's main goal is to be able to play football again in a 5-a-side league. Sport activities. He wants to be able to play football again. He enjoys a lot of sports such as badminton, swimming and squash. He would like to play with his children. We will implement this into his program. Components of fitness would mainly be CV endurance and a decrease in body fat composition. The muscle groups works will be all of them. There will be no specific muscle groups that are being worked. And the client feels comfortable, I will use a skin fold caliper to determine his weight at the beginning and end the program. Right now I know that his BMI is 31.5 and if the client does not feel comfortable, I will ask to measure weight using a scale instead. Week 1. Monday. Client has work from 7 till 5 and therefore is able to do exercise when he gets back from work. I'd recommend doing HIIT workouts on the first day as the client will not feel motivated to go outside and go for a run after work. Instead is more likely to exercise if done at home. The HIIT exercise should focus on all of the body and therefore it should include workouts all done 30 seconds or a 10-second rest between each set. This complete exercise should be done twice, and these workouts can be done either at home or at the gym. An example of the workout would be squats, tricep dips, crunches, planks, step-ups, push-ups, half burpees, and lunges. these exercises need to be done as much as possible in the time frame. Tuesday. The client has work from 7 till 5, and therefore I'd recommend him doing exercise outdoor and working his fat burning heart rate, as he has the day off work the next day. He will get more rest instead of waking up early, and will likely be more motivated to exercise. Because the client is a beginner and leads a sedentary lifestyle, I would recommend a brisk walk for a mile that keeps him in his fat burning range throughout the exercise. This can be monitored by buying either a cheap heart rate monitor on Amazon or a Fitbit, or even a heart rate tracker that would go over the client's chest. This will be useful to the client, as he will know what he needs to decrease on during the intensity of his exercise, and I will also know the same. Wednesday. The client mentioned that he wants to work his way into being able to play five-a-side football once again. Therefore, I would recommend the client joins a walking football league, as he does not yet feel comfortable playing five-a-side. This will help the client feel better psychologically, as he's playing the sport he wants to do again, and will interact with people who may be in a similar situation whilst also playing five-a-side. I recommend this is done in the evening, as the client will be tired in the morning. Thursday, the client has work from 9 till 7. However, due to the prior 3 days, I believe the client should have a day of rest after work. The client has bad nutritional habits such as smoking and drinking excessively and eating lots of fast food. I'd recommend the client uses this day to prep meals for the next day of work. Friday, the client has work from 9 till 7. I'd recommend the client does a high intensity interval training workout before work, as the exercise will have an afterburning effect due to the rise in metabolism during the exercise. The metabolism will stay increased and will take a while to revert. Therefore, if done before work, you'll be losing more calories than usual from dropping off deliveries and unloading the truck. I'd recommend another full body workout of 30 seconds with 10 seconds rest. An example of this workout would be half burpees, step-ups, jumping jacks, push-ups, squats, planks, lunges, and a wall sit. Saturday. The client does not have work at all today, and the main goal is to lose weight. Therefore, I would again recommend a brisk walk to the client, whilst using a Fitbit to make sure he is in his target fat burning zone. At this point in the program, there will be no significant changes to the client's cardiovascular endurance due to a sedentary lifestyle the week before and coronary heart disease. I do not feel it is safe for the client to begin a long jog as of now. Also, if the client is still within his fat burning heart rate range whilst walking, there is no need to change the jogging, where he will likely be working harder than the ideal range. And Sunday. The client does not have work on this day. However, I believe the client should have a rest on this day, where he can prep his meals for the next day of work, or the next few days of work, as he will also need to change his diet to successfully lose weight, as this was a key problem. The client's meal should consist of a fist size of protein, half the plate with vegetables, and the rest with carbs. At first, the client may not feel energized, but will grow out of it in later weeks.